Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to service a Toyota Yaris. First, understand that consistent maintenance is key to keeping your Yaris running smoothly and efficiently for many years. We will cover essential checks and replacements you can perform yourself. Always prioritize safety by using proper equipment and following manufacturer guidelines. This guide will help you maintain your vehicle's reliability and value. Next, let's focus on key maintenance checks. Regularly inspect your tires for proper inflation and tread depth, ensuring optimal handling and fuel efficiency. Don't forget to check your brake fluid level and the condition of your brake pads. A quick visual inspection of belts and hoses can also reveal potential issues before they become serious problems, saving you time and money. Now, let's talk about fluids and filters, which are vital for your Yaris's health. Regularly changing your engine oil and filter is perhaps the most crucial step for engine longevity. Also, replacing your air filter ensures your engine breathes clean air, improving fuel economy and power. Don't forget to check and top off other essential fluids like coolant and brake fluid for safe operation. Finally, here are some advanced tips to keep your Yaris in top shape. Regularly rotating your tires helps them wear evenly, extending their lifespan and improving ride quality. Also, inspecting and replacing spark plugs as needed ensures efficient combustion and prevents misfires. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the link in the description below, along with other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.